smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
There we got caught out. Start of day 3. We've gone 25 yards and we're already checking on plants into a river valley. Built the gate posts, got the avenue of trees. It goes up the hill. So there must be a house up there somewhere. Not our route, but this is a ford to get to somebody's house. We had a lot of rain last night, so everything's wet. The eucalyptus forest and a marker post. You don't have to go this way, but this is a lake. It's rather nice. Dark and muddy. Flash flood. What a beautiful tree. Another frog pond. Will we see them? Tadpoles. So we have a motorcycle one way, and now we have a car going the other way. What a beautiful eucalyptus. Fresh flowers, soon to be pine cones. The roar of the wind turbines. Wow. Blow down. I wonder if this is the strawberry tree. Is this the strawberry tree? This is the strawberry tree. We have to ford the river. Eek. Up to the top. Definite rows of eucalyptus. Must be a plantation. We had quite a lot of rain last night, but it's very wet and marshy up here. Not the way for us, but quite a bit of graffiti. Pine bushes, not pine trees. All you do is learn to look straight ahead, or to the side or around. You just look straight by it. I think it's bugs. Another Portuguese trick point. Sheep. There they go. Cutting round the valley. These amazing trees. This is what we come to. Look at those rocks. And look at the surf. Next stop, Brazil. That way. Beach to ourselves. The crumbling and turning of this rock. Lunch spot. There we got caught out. Water came right up to our seat. Here it comes. Woo! We were just sitting through there. The water's edge. It's just all plastic. It's coming in fast. Take off. Using the updraft. Propel themselves up the cliff because they took off from that green bit below. This marker post marks the end of this little section. Wow, that's a big pig. And a donkey and another pig. Just going across the road. The actual path is under a foot of water. Finishing village for the day. In the baby carrier they got the dog. It's a huge dog.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.